All right, little info on a 6.0 Ford POWERSTROKE F350, F250, anything with a 6.0, 450s, 550s. A lot of times, if you have if you've seen any of my videos, I go through all this high pressure oil system. And this right here is an IPR valve, injection pressure regulator. It goes right back there. But what that is an air fitting. See, I took this motor, if you follow my page, you know I've done a motor engine swap. Took this motor out of a different truck. While I was in there, while I had it out, I did standpipes and the oil rail, nipple valve, nipple cup, injector O-rings, all that stuff. Because when you get in here, you need to do it all. It's just O-rings, so you need to do it all while you're in here. But something's wrong. I've got a leak. I've got a scanner, and I scanned it, and my ICP won't even go to 400, so there's a real bad leak. So I hooked that air line. You can get these kits. There's several different types of kits. Some of them, and depending on the model truck you have, some of them will go into your ICP sensor. I don't really like that type because you have to have a scanner to command your IPR closed in order to put pressure to the system and find out where your leak is at. So the one I got, I think I got it off Amazon, but you can find them. And it came with a kit that has one that goes in ICP or an IPR. I wanted the one in IPR because, like I just said, you have to have a certain type of scanner to make this close without, starting your motor over. And so that's what I've done is put it in there, and I've got a leak over here somewhere in my valve cover. I don't know if I forgot to hook that up to the standpipe. I don't know. I spent several days out here and several nights. But anyway, just a little tip right there. If you got a leak somewhere, instead of, taking it apart, putting it together, and taking it apart and putting it together, or send it to the mechanic, spending thousands of dollars, once you find out on that scanner that your ICP, your injection control pressure is real low, then you got a leak somewhere or a bad high pressure oil pump. And instead of tearing it all out and just trying to swap out a new, several $100 pump, I just got that little $15 kit, and you can hook an air compressor to it. Right there it is. And anyway,